This method can help to answer key questions in studying fish behavior, especially in the field of mate choice, and here to study the fascinating strategy of mate choice copying.
The main advantage of our technique is that we have total control of the appearance and the behavior of the fish stimuli that we use to present to live fish during experiments.
Visual demonstration of this method is critical as the different steps necessary to create, animate and present computer-animated fish stimuli using our toolchain need to be precise to ensure a proper workflow.
Begin this procedure with preparation of female body textures with and without gravit spot as detailed in the text protocol. To adjust the viewpoint and set the scene for animation, start FishSim by selecting the FishSim icon in the launcher on the left side of the desktop. Configure the resolution for the presentation monitors and click Launch. Press F1 on the keyboard to change from viewing mode to editing mode. Adjust the viewpoint to match the dimensions of the presentation monitors by adjusting the camera angle. Rotate the camera by holding the left mouse button and moving the cursor. To pan the camera, hold the right mouse button and move the cursor. Zoom in and out by holding the middle mouse button and moving the cursor. Click Camera Settings in the editing toolbar and click Copy to Static Cam to set the viewpoint. Click File, Save Scene, and save the adjusted scene as the new default scene. For design of a virtual